Welcome to the Naturopathic College and to New Plymouth. We hope you'll enjoy the workshop you'll be attending with us soon. The college is located at 215 Devon Street East, the main street of New Plymouth. Parking for students can be found around the back of the building. To access the parking, you want to come along Gill Street to Flyger Lane. Flyger Lane is located between Ideal Electrical and Totally Food, and you'll find a sign on the wall pointing to us. When you get to the back of the building, please make sure you park directly behind the building and not on any neighbouring business parking sites. To the right of the neighbour's building, you'll find an alleyway that leads you through to Devon Street East. Please make sure you arrive in plenty of time prior to the 9 o'clock start of your classes. You'll be greeted in reception by Student Support Officer Kimmy Warner, who will take you through to the classroom and show you around to settle you into the college. While at the workshop, you'll have access to a small kitchen with a fridge, bench-top oven and stovetop, microwave, teas, coffee and milk. While you're at workshop, you may wish to meet with a particular staff member to discuss your studies. You can do this at 8:30 in the morning prior to your class starting for the day. Please contact one of the staff members to organise this for you. Being based on New Plymouth's main street, we're an easy access to a number of eateries during your lunch breaks, including a Thai chef restaurant, Joe's Garage, and a local vegan cafe called the Loving Hut. If you'd like to shop for organic food while you're here, Down to Earth Organics is 1.5 k's from the college on the same street. The college is close to the three main supermarkets, which are located on Courtney Street, parallel to Devon Street East where the college is. You'll find an alleyway down the side of Westpac and then through to Courtney Street. Once on Courtney Street, you'll be in view of Countdown, Pack and Save and New World, all within a block and a half of each other. New Plymouth has a number of attractions you might like to visit during your stay. The Coastal Walkway is a 13-kilometre long walkway along the foreshore of New Plymouth. For some fresh air at lunchtime, you can access this with a quick 5-minute walk from the college. Pukakura Park is a 128-acre park right in the heart of the city and is one of New Zealand's main botanical gardens. The Gavette Brewster Art Gallery is New Zealand's first and only museum of contemporary art. The latest addition, the Len Lai Centre, is New Zealand's first institution dedicated to a single artist and can be found on Devon Street West. We hope you'll enjoy your time at workshop with us here in New Plymouth and leave inspired on your path towards becoming a natural health practitioner. If you have any queries before you come, please do feel free to get in touch and we'll see you soon.